we're at the POC now, and this is quite relevant because it means also the end of the move. This trend line here, and we will be probably retracing back down again. But I want to see the second leg finishing, so maybe it's finishing it here. So let's see if it's okay. So yeah, you can see now we have this and this, maybe there. So this could also be a trend line. So let's see. So what happens? This is a higher high. So now we wait for price to fail at some point. But they want to go. They want to move price up, as you can see. It's still a higher high. So second leg is not finished. Still not finished. Now we see here a trap. Eventually. And there is also this channel, which I meant before. This channel is probably being relevant now. Gonna go like this. This is a trap actually, but second leg is not finished.
Order filled. Order filled.
Gonna move quickly now. Yes, okay. Okay, oh, that's nice. I don't think this is gonna jump up again. And now we can see how we get to the oscillation level. I think I'm still recording. Okay, nice. So you can see how I trade it. This is still a downtrend. Yes. The trend line. You could also go like this. Go like this and like this. This also something like that. Maybe we see a retracement back up again here, but I don't think this is range now. I think this should work. Move down. Maybe we see some support here at the range level, and now be careful because there is also here a trend line actually. They're selling that trend line. I think it's gonna work. Gonna move down. Nice trap. Nice trap, actually, nice trap. If this closes strong, now we can expect price to move down again. I don't think this is going to be relevant. Exactly. So they're fighting. They're fighting. So the question is where we could put our stop loss. If we go a little bit conservative, or we go, they cannot move price down. See, like they are just trying, but no, I don't think this is gonna work. Exactly. No. You see the blue line? They're buying the blue line. There's a pinpoint there. Just wait. You cannot do anything. It's just a matter of waiting. Oh, this is a nice pin bar, right? A nice pin bar, actually. Oh, if this... Oh, God. Go. Come on. This is crazy. This red one is like... is showing who's in control, right? So that's the thing. You have to think like that. That was a crazy signal if you want to go long, and they sold it. So you have to go short today, because this is a sign of strength. Definitely. we wait here or here, don't care. So maybe you see now a price moving up again because the channel is here. Maybe you see that, but they are selling every single green candle. So I don't think this is gonna move up again. This is what this candle here was so strong. This one, this is a sign of strength, a sign of I'm controlling the situation. And we also have some other signs of strength because price didn't get to the exponential moving average. These kind of signs are very, very strong. I think this is gonna move down. Actually, this is gonna move to the oscillation level or even further. So that's the thing. So this is gonna move to the oscillation level, which is this one, or even further. This is the oscillation level, as you can see, and this is the oscillation level. So, and you see that it's crazy. It's moving down like crazy. So I don't think this is gonna change something. We could go like this now if you want. Yeah.
Order filled.
So it's fine because you never know what happens. And if it enters the channel again, yeah, exactly. If it's entering the channel again, and it's rotating probably. So exactly, it's rotating. And now the question is, how to deal with this, because this was really strong. Now one more, I would go 5 probably, but the range is here now. So look at this. This is the range now, and you also have this one. Yeah, exactly. This is the range. Maybe we get. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna sell this. I'm gonna sell this. I'm gonna sell this.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, I didn't trust it. But it's a quite a nice signal here. So it's, yeah, I just lost that opportunity. So this is the range now. Now the question is how we deal with this, because this is quite difficult. So it's like that. So now maybe we should wait for price to come back up again. Maybe it moves like this.
Order filled. Order filled.